Hey everyone, get ready to have your minds blown. Today I'm going to show you how to create an incredible Airbnb clone in just half an hour using a revolutionary new AI tool. Seriously, you have to watch this video all the way to the end. The app we're building isn't just a simple demo. It will have full login and sign-up functionality, listing features, and all the essential Airbnb functions you'd expect. All of this in a mere 20 to 30 minutes. Get ready to be amazed. Hello everyone, welcome back to Billy's channel. Zrenia, today I want to introduce you to an incredible AI application building tool called DYAD or DYAD. DYAD is an open source local tool that you can easily install on your laptop or computer. You don't even need a browser to use it. You can find more information and download it at dyad.sh. DYAD is designed to make app building incredibly easy and virtually error-free thanks to its powerful AI. Now, let's explore some of DYAD's amazing features, especially with DYAD Pro. DYAD Pro offers an incredibly exciting experience. From my own experience, I was able to build a complete inventory application with DYAD in just one night. And the best part? It was completely error-free. Unlike many other tools that are prone to errors, DYAD is extremely user-friendly and reliable. Building with Airbnb clone with DYAD, only 20 minutes. Let's dive into a quick tutorial. We'll be creating a Firebase application. I've already set up a base application and we'll transform it into a new app using DYAD. For this example, we'll build an Airbnb clone. Pro offers two standout features that make your development process more automatic and efficient: DYAD Turbo Edits and Smart Context. DYAD Turbo Edits. Turbo Edits. This amazing feature of DYAD Pro lets you use a smaller, cheaper AI model to fully write out the code changes after the main model makes the targeted edit in the code. So keep your DYAD credit usage efficient while keeping good result. So unlike other tools, DYAD Turbo Edit ensure no wasted credit. Smart Context. The second powerful feature is Smart Context. You'll see how it works. Even when I just click Keep Going, DYAD understands the full context of the application. For example, after my first, second, and third prompts, I can simply click Keep Going without entering any new prompts. That's because DYAD Pro's Smart Context optimizes the AI to truly understand the application we're building. It reads other relevant files, remembers previous prompts, and recalls our past conversations. This allows it to even generate things like Firestore rules for you. As you can see, DYAD automatically generates our Firebase rules, eliminating the need for us to grapple with complex configurations. This is a huge benefit, especially for beginners, as Firebase rules can be quite tricky. Once generated, simply open the code, select everything Ctrl-A and copy it Ctrl-C. If you're unsure, you can find the Firestore rules directly in the code section. Then just paste these rules into your Firebase console and click Publish. Now our app is fully equipped to perform CRUD operations. That's creating, reading, updating, and deleting data with ease. The intelligence of DYAD's Smart Context. Next, we simply click Keep Going. This highlights the incredible intelligence of DYAD's Smart Context. It's far more sophisticated than other AI app builders out there. I don't even need to name them, but trust me, DYAD is exceptionally smart. Building forms and handling errors automatically. Now let's look at the detail page. We'll also be creating Submit Properties forms along with login and registration forms. Get ready for another mind-blowing feature that makes app building an absolute breeze: DYAD's Auto Fixes. Imagine this: DYAD automatically detects and fixes problems within your app even before you tell it to. This is a game changer, making app building incredibly easy and virtually error-free for you. And here's the best part: auto fixes are available for all DYAD users, even for the free version. So what are you waiting for? Grab DYAD now from their official site. The link is in the video description. You won't believe how much easier your development journey will be. DYAD Pro offer generous 30 credit only for $30. You've seen how, with just a few prompts, we can have a fully functional and polished application ready to deploy. We'll now create the login and registration forms using Firestore and Firebase Auth. If you're new to Firebase, you can simply copy my prompts. Let's wait for the app to build itself. With Diad, you just click Continue, and the app's features are completed. Unlike other tools where you might be left wondering what to do next or how to fix an error, Diad is exceptionally smart and streamlines your workflow. It makes building your dream application much easier. You can see the results now. Thank you for watching. If we click on the sign up form, it works, and if we click on login, that works too. If we try to sign up and an error occurs, Diad will immediately show you the error. Let's use a dummy email for demonstration. App shows account created successfully. You can see that our account has been successfully created in Firebase for propertyairbnb@email.com, and it's also reflected in the database. Diad is truly clever, isn't it? We can even implement the login functionality with just one prompt. All right, we've got our brand new create new listing form up and running, but before we unleash this beast, we have to test it out. Let's see how it performs. We'll start by filling in all the property information. And get this, Diad even creates the categories for us. No more manual category creation, which saves us so much time. What about the price per night? Let's go with a cool $300. Nice. Diad's Smart Fix. Say goodbye to app errors. If you have images, you can absolutely upload them. For now, I'm going to use some dummy images. Now you might see that our app is showing an error. Don't worry. To dive into the error details, you'll need to enable your Chrome Dev Console. Just go to More Tools in your browser options, then Developer Tools, and finally, Console. That's where you'll see the error pop up. Let's try listing the property again. You'll notice there's an error because we attempted to upload an image. But what if we don't upload an image and try to post a property without one, just to test the core functionality? We need to make sure the image isn't a mandatory field right now because we're just testing the function. No tech talk? No problem. Diad understands you. This is where the magic happens. You'll see I'm using everyday natural language, not complicated technical prompts. But Diad's smart context is incredibly intelligent. It's already generating what we need. We just need to confirm the change. We don't even need to tell the tool to stop or pause, because we're just testing the post properties function. Okay, let's reload the page and test our listing submission again. If you hit an error, you can just copy the error message, come back to Diad, and paste it in, saying something simple like error when listing property. This is the power of smart context in action. You'll see how Diad's clever AI will make the necessary changes to our application using its smart context. We just give it a simple prompt, and Diad translates it, knowing exactly where in the script it needs to make edits. How cool is that? Now let's hit approve. From mock data to real-time listings, let's reload one more time. Boom! You can see the listing is successful. But wait, we don't see the listing on our homepage yet. So let's jump back to Diad. I've already submitted the list. It's not showing up. Again, just use everyday language. If you are not a technical person or you don't know anything about programming, you can simply prompt Diad using plain, natural language, not technical jargon. Diad's smart context is clever enough to know exactly what you mean and will translate it by editing the necessary files. Then we just click continue. Alright, let's talk about our listings. Right now, if we click on my listings, it just takes us to an empty page. Nothing there, but we're about to change that and it's going to be amazing. I want Dyad to create a My Listings page that actually displays our listings, giving us full control to manage them. We just need to hit the /mylisting URL, or you can simply type it in. Dyad Smart Context, the magic behind the scenes. This is where the real power of Dyad Smart Context kicks in. All you have to do is provide the prompt and then let this incredible AI use all its power to build our app. Seriously, it's mind-boggling how easy app development becomes with Dyad. I feel like I'm barely doing anything. Dyad handles it all for me. I just give it a prompt, keep it going, and for a mere $30, it's an absolute game changer. So much promise, so incredibly affordable. Troubleshooting like a pro, Firebase indexing solved. Hold on a sec, we need to quickly check our Firebase Firestore database. Okay, under listings, we can see our listing. Tiny Homes Jakarta, perfect. Now, we need to tell Dyad to display our listing on the My Listings page. We need to make sure it knows exactly how to show that listing there. We'll set that up, and then we'll continue. Silence, anticipation. Approve. Still an error? No problem. We need to show the indicator. There's an error, so we need to check the Firebase Dev Console for details and the index. If you encounter an error, just click on the index. You can click the link directly or copy and paste it into your browser. You'll then select your account. It says we need to create an index. Okay, it's building the index now. You'll need to wait a moment for Firebase to create that index. More silence waiting. All right, you can reload the page now. Conquering errors with S mode, your secret weapon. Let's head back to Dyad. If you ever want some assistance, you can click on the S button. This will generate a plan for you or help answer your questions. I think this S mode is incredibly useful because it helps you eliminate 90% of errors. It's a lifesaver. Victory! Our listings are live. Now let's check Firebase again. The index is connected. Yes. Let's reload one more time. Boom! Our listing is now visible on the My Listing page. This is how incredibly easy it is to build an app with Dyad. You can view or even edit your listings right here. Let's try editing. Update successful. Even with that little error, it wasn't a functional error, just a minor image-related one. Dyad has transformed our app into an Airbnb clone in just 1 hour or even half an hour. You can also pause your listings, but I won't do that now. Okay, let's keep improving this app. Alright, we're taking this even further. Our My Listings page is a huge success. Now, if we reload the app, you'll see that in My Listings, we can view, edit, and even delete our listings. Talk about full control. Next up, we're going to add some fantastic new features, discounted prices. But first, we'll enhance our app with some beautiful mock data promos. This will make our listings even more appealing. Smart Mode in Action, your personal development planner. You know, we're still in S mode here. That means DED is actively planning out the features for us. When we're ready, we'll switch to build mode and it will actually create these features. Or we can just click keep going and let DIAD's intelligence guide the process. So let's wrap this up. For an incredible $30, you get 300 credits with DEAD Pro. And with its incredibly efficient credit usage and smart context that translate your prompt to working app features, it's clear that DEAD Pro offers the absolute best value among AI app builders out there. You seriously must get your hands on this. Even the free version of DEAD is fantastic, so why not try it for yourself and see the magic happen? You'll be amazed.